Say a lot of people think that in order to be able to buy real estate, you need to have a trailer load of money. That's not the case. I remember I'm always saying other people's money is the best money. You have to be able to access financing when it comes to real estate investing, because that is when you unlock the power of leverage, using other people's money to make money work for you. Now, when it comes to real estate investing, this is one of the most straightforward ways of accessing financing through a mortgage. Do not think for a minute that you need to have all of the money up front to be able to purchase a property. You only need about 5 to 10 or 15% available to be able to make that purchase. The rest of the money will come from a bank or a private institution that provides financing for mortgages or real estate deals. So don't make not having the money limit you. Get in the game, get on the money train when it comes to real estate investing. Learn exactly how you can access financing and use other people's money to unlock leverage and make your money work for you with real estate. That is really where the thing is.